Alright, so here's the Harbor Breeze Calera Frankenfan, 42, was 52 inch, now 42 inch, with the Quorum light kit that I got from the Quorum ceiling fan that I got parted out for the blades for the Clarkston. And this is with its new light kit because the North Pond light kit, the pull chain would like stick out, like stick actually like this instead of this, and it would like hit the blade arms, so it didn't work out too well. So and this one, I'm not gonna. It doesn't match the color, but I'm not gonna spray paint it because it looks kind of cool on there. So yeah. Anyway, begin with the light. See, both of the bulbs are working. There's not a third one in there. Start with low. This is like a medium speed on my other fans. This is how fast this thing goes. This thing's powerful too. Even when it had the 52-inch blade, the original blade, it was so powerful. Now we're gonna do high. I'm kind of scared, not gonna lie. This thing blows so much air, it's like a powerhouse on high. Oops. Hope you enjoy, comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for much more content to come.